Go down this sketchy alley. How's it going, everybody? I figured I'd take a spin with the new LED headlight. As you previously saw, the difference between stock with the yellow screen on it, and then stock with nothing, and then now with this. Unfortunately, you can't really tell because this road is so well lit, so maybe I'll find a road that is not well lit. Definitely seems to be a whiter light, that's for sure. It's been a while since I've been on this. I missed it. There's nobody out. I don't mind the color of this LED. That's for sure. It's definitely a whiter light or cooler light. So you can see what the light looks like. Oh man, all these roads have really good lighting. This sucks. Another thing I gotta try here is the brights. Go down this sketchy alley. Brights don't necessarily look brighter as much as it just shines higher up. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I know that was a really quick video, but I wanted to try this LED light just for the heck of it. It looks fine. As if it lasts a long time, that'll be great. But there's nothing wrong with the standard bulb, in my opinion. And the one thing that did bother me is the fact that I had to trim a little bit. It's a pretty bulky bulb. To get it into the housing, I had to grind a little bit with my Dremel. And I know a lot of people will not want to do that. I didn't really want to either, but for the sake of trying it, I did it, and it works. It fits fine. The spring retainer that holds it down is a lot tighter than with a stock bulb though, but I don't think that should be an issue. I can always figure out something if it breaks, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Thanks again, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit that bell notification. And until next time, see you guys later.